You know what? I said one day not too long ago. I'll get an analog camera just for fun and do some good old-fashioned film photography again, just like back in the day. And then it grabs both your ears and pulls you face first down the rabbit hole. And you let it. And then it happens. Putting some of your favorite film stock in there. Hearing it advance to the first frame. The motor of the lens getting ready to focus, the feeling and the sound of the old school shutter. Not knowing the result until finally you get the negatives developed. And then you see your memories materialize in front of you. You had almost forgotten the sensation of it all, those moments, but it's all still there, and you hold it in your hand. Memories are precious. If nothing else, these old pieces of outdated technology have taught me that. They'll actually never get old. And along the way, you learn so much more and actually become a better photographer. This, in the end, is also about really honing the craft. And down the rabbit hole you go. Deeper. And deeper. And then possibly a little bit too far. But you know, perhaps it's really just you subconsciously knowing that you're onto something. And if that is how you feel, you probably are. Thank you for watching, hope you liked that video. This should give you a little bit of an idea of what I'm up to at the moment. I've been shooting a lot of film lately and was wondering why I haven't done that in years. Give it a shot if you haven't yet, it's really worth it. Thanks for subscribing, and if you can, please support the channel over on Patreon with a small monthly donation. That would make a big difference for me as I'm trying to do more here on YouTube. Hope to meet you guys at Photo Keen, and I'll try to make some videos over there. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye!